Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. It is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotels, and we are in the house. We got ProSafe in the building at Ahoa. Yes, what's going on?
How you doing, Bruce? Good to see you, my friend. Always a pleasure.
Of course, of course. Listen, we got housekeepers. They need to be safe. We need to keep them safe.
Yes, sir.
Guests are getting so much safer. I think that's the way to put it. Guests are getting so much safer. So we got to make sure we protect our housekeepers. How do we do that?
Understood. I mean, at geolocation duress buttons are creme de la creme right now. We hope nobody ever has to press the button. So we've built in a ton of functionalities over time as we've grown so that you can get that day-to-day use and functionality out of our platform that really can help streamline your operation at the end of the day.
Nice, nice. What are some of the top 3 issues that you've seen when it came to keeping housekeepers safe?
I mean, it's really the response times, I would say, is definitely one of them, because some brands do not allow, or some brands accept noisemakers, right? Noisemakers are unmonitored solutions. So somebody presses, just wishes and prays that somebody comes and helps them. And, you know, it's just not a system that's really made for, it's 2025. You got to have a monitored system to make sure that those folks get the help that they need when they need it, right? Outside of response times, I'd also say the lack of functionalities outside of just safety. We will always be safety first, but we hope that nobody ever has to use the button, right?
Right.
So to provide a service that folks can use day in, day out is something that's truly valuable to these hotels and helps streamline everything in their operation at the end of the day.
You know, a lot of people think like emergencies is just someone attacking them.
Sure.
But it can be earthquakes, it can be floods, like it can be a series of different scenarios.
Yep.
How does that work with ProSafe?
So we're actually working to incorporate everything that's collecting dust in an emergency binder at a hotel into our system. So even though our system was originally designed for housekeeper safety, we've grown to incorporate other elements that can transpire on a day-to-day, you know, force majeure type items. Nobody can predict a hurricane. Nobody can predict a tornado coming through.
Right.
And so these are the types of things where that room and area level accuracy comes into play. And if God forbid that there was something happening on the north side of the building, you could go to, you know, it would let every associate know, hey, you should exit via the south side to, you know.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
That is amazing. I love that. I love that. What else you got to say about ProSafe? Tell us what no one knows. Tell us the inside scoop.
So one thing that's very unique about ProSafe is we have the patent until 2042, where we're the only duress company that can have a duress button and a master key in one.
Nice.
So the problem with ancillary duress buttons is that oftentimes they're left in the back office when that associate really needs the help.
Gotcha.
So you need your master key to do your job. And if it also is your duress button, it ensures that, God forbid anybody does need help, that they have it on their persons and they're able to get the help that they need as fast as humanly possible.
Oh, that is fantastic. That is fantastic. Listen, tell everybody how they get in touch with you. Boo.
You can catch us on worldview.com/ProSafe or our website at www.prosafehotels.com. We're always available. There's a calendar link on the website, and we can kind of go from there.
All right. Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate you being
Always
on
a
the show.
pleasure. So great to see you, my friend.
Anytime. And thank you guys. Thank you for joining us for another episode. This is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotels, signing out.
Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce Jordan, the hotel revenue expert. I just want to take a quick second to thank you for watching this video. If you could just do us a big favor and just subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos like this, more information, great information about hotels. I'm also the author of the Hotel Revenue Bible. You can get that book on hotelrevenuebible.com. And we are here to answer all your questions. So if you have any questions, just shoot us a quick text at 321-321-2002. That's 321-321-2002. And you can book a revenue call. Go to hotelrevenuecall.com and we can answer any and all your questions. Just make an appointment with me. You'll do one-on-one with me. You'll be able to do one-on-one with me, and we could go ahead and get all your questions answered and see if you have any revenue issues that needs to be resolved. Talk to you soon. Thank you again. Hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate you.